Good morning students. In previous class what we learnt about the addition, okay, how to add the large numbers. It means 5 digit numbers and 6 digit numbers, okay. In this class I start a new chapter, that is subtraction, okay. This is your third chapter, okay. In earlier classes we learnt about how to subtract the numbers up to the 4 digits only. Okay, in this class we shall learn about how to subtract the 5 digit and 6 digit numbers and how to subtract the large numbers, which means more than 4 digits, okay, more than 4 digits. Then how do you subtract the that type of numbers, okay. In earlier class we learned up to the subtraction of 4 digit numbers, okay. At first we shall revise that what we learnt in the previous class up to the subtraction of numbers up to 4 digits, okay. For example, subtract 8965 and 3542, okay. Now we have to subtract the 8965 and 3542, okay, which means we have to find out the difference between this and this. Which means at first we have to identify the greater number and the smaller number, okay. Here 8000, here 3000, okay. 8000 is greater than 3000, so this is the greater number. So we have to subtract this from this, okay. At first we have to write the greater number, that is 8965, okay, and subtract 3542, okay. We have to subtract the smaller number from greater number, okay. Here we have to subtract the 2 from 5. How much? Yeah, we are subtracting 2 from 5, we get 3, okay. Here we having a 6, here we having 4. We have to subtract the 4 from 6. When we are subtracting 4 from 6, we get 2, and we are subtracting the 5 from 9, we get 4. Here we subtracting the 3 from 8, we get 5, okay. Then how do you pronounce this? The difference between this and this is 5423, okay. Thus we pronounce the number, okay, 5423, okay. This is the difference between this and this, okay. These are the concepts we learned in the previous class. And now we shall learn about the how to subtract the 5 digit and 6 digit numbers, okay. Now subtraction of 5 digits and 6 digits, okay. 5 digits and 6 digit numbers, okay. Then how do you subtract the large numbers, okay. Large numbers are it means large numbers means 5 digits or 6 digits or more than the 4 digits, okay. Yeah, for example, subtract 42,321 and 86,673, okay. Now we have to subtract the this and this, these two numbers having a 5 digits, okay. 1 2 3 4 5. Here also same, 1 2 3 4 5, okay. Both are 5 digit numbers, okay. We have to subtract the 5 digit numbers. Then how do you subtract the 5 digit numbers? Let know. At first we have to find out the greater number, which is the greater and which is the smaller, okay. Here having 42,000, here we having a 86,000, okay. We know that 86,000 is greater than 42, so we have to write the first 86,673 and subtract the subtract the 42,321 from 86,673, okay. At first we should write the place value chart and then write the numbers in columns correctly, okay. So you should write the first place value chart, okay. Yeah, this is the place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000, okay. At first we have to write the numbers in columns correctly, okay. At first we have to write the greater number, that is 37668, okay, 86,673, and then we have to write the smaller number, that is 42,321, okay. 1 2 3 2 and 4, okay. Now we have to subtract this from this, okay. It means minus. We know that some rules of the subtraction, that is we have to, at first we have to subtract the ones column and then tens column and then hundreds and followed by the 1000 and 10,000. First we have to subtract the ones column. Okay, in the ones column we are having a here 3 and 1. It means we have to subtract the 1 from 3, we get 2. Okay, now here tens place we having a 7 and 2. We have to subtract the 2 from 7, we get how much? 5. Okay, in hundreds place we having it 6 and 3. We have to subtract the 300 from 600, we get 3. And here thousands place 6000s and 2000s. Okay, you have to subtract the 2 from 6, we get 4. And then here 10,000s, subtract the 4 from 8, we get 4. Okay, when you are subtracting 4 from 8, we get the 4. Okay, this is the difference between these two numbers. Okay, then how do you pronounce this number? Here 10,000 plus how many 10,000 there? 4. Okay, here thousands plus we having a 4,000s. Okay, 10,000 and 1,000 both are 1,000 and 10,000 both are comes under the thousands period. So we have, while we are pronouncing, we have to combine these two numbers. Okay, these two digits, 44,352. Okay, how to pronounce this? 44,352. Okay, thus we pronounce the number. Okay, this we call, okay, this number we called a minuend. Okay, minuend. And this we call a subtrahend. Okay, subtrahend. And this we call a difference. Okay, because of this the difference between this and this. Okay, difference. Okay, thus we subtract the 5-digit number. This is the subtraction of 5-digit numbers without any regrouping. Okay, without any regrouping we have to subtract the 5-digit numbers. Okay, now now we shall study about the subtraction of 5-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, how to regroup the while subtracting the 5-digit numbers. Okay, let's see. Subtraction with regrouping. Okay, subtraction with regrouping. Then how do you regrouping while subtracting the 5-digit numbers? Okay, let's see. Yeah, example, we have to subtract the 58,362. Okay, 58,362 and 35,723. Okay, 35,723. Okay, here we having a two numbers. Okay, here 58,000, here 35,000. Okay, among these two numbers, which is the greater and which is the smaller? Here we having 58,000, here we having 35,000. So know that the 58 is greater than 35. So this is the greater number and this is the smaller number. Okay, we know that some rules of the subtraction, which are those? First we should write the place value chart and write the numbers in columns correctly, and then we have to subtract the ones place, tens place, hundreds, and followed by the 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, at first we should write the place value chart. This is a place value chart: ones, tens, 100 and 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, now we have to subtract the 35,723 from 58,362. Okay, at first we should write the numbers in columns correctly. Okay, at the top of the at the top we should write the greater number, that is 58,362. Okay, 58,362. Okay, now the smaller number 35,723. Okay, now we have to subtract this from this. Okay, when we are subtract, at first we know that we have to subtract the ones place and 10, 100 and followed by the 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, at ones place we having a 2 and 3. Okay, 3 subtract from 2. Okay, we cannot subtract the 3 from 2 because of 2 is less than 3. So then what we do? We have to take a borrow from here. Okay, borrow from tens column. Okay, when we take one borrow from the tens column, it becomes a 12. Okay, it becomes 12. Okay, it becomes a 12. Now we have to subtract. Now it becomes a 12. Now we have to subtract 3 from 12. Okay, when we are taking borrow from here, it means 10. Okay, we have to, when we are taking borrow from tens column, it becomes a 12. 12 and here 5 is there, okay, because of we take a borrow from here, okay. So now we have to subtract the 3 from 12, okay. When we are subtracting 3 from 12 we get 9, okay. Now we have to subtract the tens column, okay. Here we are in tens column we having a 5 and 2 because of we taking borrow from here, so here we having a 5, okay. It means we have to subtract the 2 from 5, okay. When we are subtracting 2 from 5 we get 3, okay. Now after the tens column we have to subtract the hundreds column. In hundreds column we having a 300 and 700. We have to subtract the 7 from 3, okay. We cannot subtract the 7 from 3 because of 7 is greater than 3, so we take borrow from thousands place, okay. When we take borrow it becomes 13, okay. It becomes a 13 and here 8 becomes 7, okay. Because of when we take the borrow from here it becomes a 13. When we are subtracting 7 from 13 we get the 6, okay. When we are subtracting the 7 from 13 we get 6, okay. Here we having a 7, okay, because of we already took borrow from 8, so 8 becomes a 7, okay. Now we have to subtract the 5 from 7, we get 2. Now at the 10,000s column we having a 5 and 3, we have to subtract 3 from 5, we get 2, okay. This is the difference, okay. This is the difference, okay. We know that this is a minuend, this is a subtrahend, and this is the difference, okay. Then how do you pronounce the difference? We know that how to pronounce the numbers, okay. At 10,000s plus we having a 2 10,000s here 2,000, okay. 1,000 and 10,000 comes under the thousands period, so we have to combine while we pronouncing we have to combine these two digits, okay. 22,639, okay. How do you pronounce it? 22,639, okay. Thus we subtract the 5 digit numbers by regrouping, okay. You see the one more example, and now we have to subtract the 86,200 and 54,325, okay. Among these numbers 86,000 is a greater number, so we should write the greater number at first and the smaller number second, okay. This is a place value chart. This is 1, 10, 100, 1,000 and 10,000, okay. We should write the greater number first, okay. 86,200 and then smaller number, that is 54,325, okay. Now we have to subtract this from this, okay. Here we have to subtract the 5 from 0. We cannot subtract the 5 from 0 because 5 is greater than 0, so we take the borrow from tens column, okay. Here we having a tens column we are having a 0, so we cannot take the borrow from here also, so we move on to the hundreds column. We take borrow from the hundreds, okay. When we take borrow from 100 here it becomes a 10, okay. Now it becomes 10. We take the borrow from here, okay. It becomes a 9 and we take borrow from here. Here we having a now 10, okay. Now we having a 10. Now we are subtracting the 5 from 10, we get 5, and we have here we having a 9, okay. We subtract the 2 from 9, we get 7, okay. Now we already we take borrow from here, so here we having a 1 because of we take we take a borrow 1 from here, so here we having a 1. Now we have to subtract the 3 from 1, okay. We cannot subtract the 3 from 1 because of 3 is less than 1, so you take borrow from here, okay. Borrow from here, when we take one borrow from here, here we get 11, okay. Here we having a 11. Now we have to subtract the 3 from 11, okay. When we are subtracting the 3 from 11 we get 8, okay. We get 8, okay. Now here we take the borrow from here, so here we having a 5, okay. Now we have to subtract the 4 from 5, we get 1, and we have subtracting the 5 from 8, we get 3, okay. This is the difference between these two numbers, okay. Thus we subtract the 5 digit numbers with regrouping, okay. Then how do you pronounce this? 31,875, okay. 31,875 is the difference between these two numbers, okay. this is the subtraction of 5 digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, this okay students, in this class we learnt about how to subtract the 5 digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. Okay, in next class we will continue this. Okay, thank you.